Welcome back to AI Decoded. Today, we are completely cutting through the noise. We're doing a hype-free breakdown of how everyday people are actually using artificial intelligence to build real wealth. I'm super excited to guide you through this explainer because, let's be honest, there is some incredibly powerful technology out there right now, but man, is there a lot of confusion around it too. So we're going to simplify these concepts and focus on the practical, real-world knowledge you need to navigate this whole new landscape.
Here's a quick look at our agenda. We'll start with the AI millionaire myth, look at why AI is just a tool, dive into some real people getting real results, uncover the true wealth formula, and finally, talk about how to avoid all the hype. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so let's just address the elephant in the room right out of the gate. Can AI actually make you a millionaire? The internet is literally flooded with wild claims about this. Look, if you think artificial intelligence is some magic button that just prints money while you sleep, then I gotta be honest with you, the answer is a firm no. But if you start looking at AI as an accelerator, a way to build businesses faster, create products cheaper, and reach millions with way less effort, then the answer is a resounding yes. It can absolutely play a pivotal role.
To really understand how that works, we need to kick things off with Section 1, the AI millionaire myth.
There's this massive divide in how people are viewing this technology today. On one side, you have the false promise, the magic money button. This is that overnight riches narrative pushed by a lot of fake gurus online. But then on the other side, we have the grounded reality. And the reality is that AI is basically a super fast assistant. It's just sitting there waiting for your direction. It doesn't automatically make people rich any more than buying a fancy calculator automatically makes someone a brilliant mathematician.
Which brings us right into Section 2. AI is just a tool. You are the pilot here.
I want you to think about this for a second. Just like a high-end laptop doesn't make someone a successful software engineer, buying a top-tier camera doesn't automatically make you an award-winning filmmaker, right? A tool is literally only as good as the person wielding it. The people who are going to become wealthy in this new AI economy, they're the pilots. They are the ones who figure out how to use this new tool to solve real, persistent problems for other people.
So the absolutely crucial thing here is understanding what this super fast assistant is actually capable of doing. It can write your copy, design stunning visuals, code software from scratch, analyze wildly complex data, and completely automate those boring, repetitive tasks that just eat up your entire day. But notice what is absolutely not on that list. It doesn't tell you what business to start. You're still the one who has to look at the market and decide what human problem actually needs solving.
All right, moving on to Section 3, real people, real results. Theory is great, but let's look at what this actually looks like in practice.
$100,000. That is the potential monthly recurring revenue of our first example, Sarah. Now, Sarah is a solo sauce founder. That's software as a service. She had this brilliant idea for a tool that summarizes meeting notes. If she gets just 5,000 customers paying $20 a month, bam, she hits that incredible number.
But the fascinating part is how she got there. Think about 5 years ago, pre-AI. Sarah would have needed a whole team of developers and designers, plus thousands of dollars just to get a basic prototype off the ground. Today, with AI, the technology helps her write the code, it generates her marketing copy, and it even handles her initial customer support. Now, AI didn't print Sarah's money, it just accelerated her ability to launch a low-cost website and get her solution into the hands of paying customers incredibly fast.
Next up, we have Alex. He's a content creator, and his magic number is 4. Before, Alex was grinding to put out maybe one video a week because the production process was just so heavy and time-consuming. Now, thanks to AI tools, Alex is comfortably uploading 4 videos every single week.
In his old workflow, Alex spent 8 agonizing hours on a single video. Now, the technology helps him generate outlines, suggests highly clickable titles, and edits his captions. Plus, he used to be restricted to just English. But now AI handles multi-language translation for him completely effortlessly. What does all that mean? It means more videos, a massive global audience, and ultimately, significantly more ad revenue and product sales. And finally, there's David, a freelance graphic designer. His magic number is 6. Normally, David could only really handle 2 design projects a week without burning out. But after weaving AI design tools right into his daily routine, he's now completing 6 full projects in the exact same amount of time. It is so crucial to understand the dynamic here. David's income didn't magically spike because some AI company wrote him a check. It increased because he's delivering way more value to way more clients in the exact same amount of time.
The tools just allowed him to scale his output, and by doing that, he scaled his value. That's the whole secret.
Which transitions us perfectly into Section 4, the true wealth formula. Let's trace exactly where the money is flowing right now.
You might actually want to pause the explainer here to take some notes, because these are literally some of the fastest growing opportunities available right now. We're talking building AI software and websites, selling AI-generated digital products, running modern, hyper-efficient marketing agencies, automating traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, teaching AI skills through online courses, and developing custom chatbots for companies looking to save time.
But if you look at that list long enough, a huge pattern emerges. They all share one extremely crucial thing in common. Every single one of those opportunities solves a problem for somebody. Whether you're helping a local business save 50 hours a week or helping a creator reach a brand new audience in another language, solving a problem is the absolute root of all economic value. And honestly, that just reveals the classic millionaire formula. It's been exactly the same for generations. Step 1, find a problem. Step 2, build a solution. Step 3, reach lots of people. Step 4, repeat. The only difference today is that AI makes the research, the writing, the designing, and the coding dramatically faster at every single one of those steps. You are executing the exact same proven formula, you're just doing it at warp speed.
But even with all of this speed, let's keep it real. There are things AI absolutely cannot do. These are your enduring human skills. Deep creativity, good judgment, actually understanding customers on an emotional level. Sure, AI can write a perfectly functional sales email, but it doesn't have the empathy to truly understand a customer's deep-seated fears or desires. Your human skills are honestly more valuable now than they have ever been, because they are the steering wheel for this massive engine.
Let's move into our final section to make sure you stay completely grounded as you navigate all this. Section 5, avoiding the hype.
You've definitely seen quotes exactly like this flashing across your social feeds, right? Use this one AI tool and make $10,000 by tomorrow. I want to be incredibly clear with you as an educator. This is absolutely not how successful businesses operate. When you see those wildly exaggerated claims, just run the other way. They are selling you a lottery ticket, not a real business strategy.
Because building real wealth and real success still requires the same core habits it always has. Consistency, continuous learning, experimenting, building products that people actually need. Yes, artificial intelligence is an incredible tool that will accelerate your journey, but it will never, ever bypass the need for hard work and dedication. You still have to show up every single day.
So if you take away just one single thing from our time together today, remember this. The biggest opportunity in front of you isn't asking AI to make you rich. It's using AI to create value for other people. Wealth is, and always has been, built by serving others. What's amazing right now is that today you have this unprecedented, almost unbelievable advantage to do exactly that at a scale we have never seen before.
So, I'm going to leave you with a final, provocative question to chew on long after this explainer is over. How will you use AI to create value? The tools are sitting right there. They're just waiting for your ideas, your judgment, and your creativity. It's time to start experimenting, start building, and start decoding the future. Keep learning, keep pushing forward, and hey, thank you so much for joining me today on AI Decoded.